Hey! I'm super excited today. Did you know you can connect to a MikroTik using just a private key, no password needed, and even cooler, with Bitvice and Putty, you can get free internet or a VPN running on your system? Today, I'm gonna show you the easiest and safest way to do it. We open Winbox and connect to our MikroTik. Go to the IP pool section and create a pool for the IKev2 VPN. In the name field, you can put any name you like, but I'll put IKev2, and the address range I'll assign for it is from January 10th, 91 to 91.1.100. I go to the IPsec section, open the proposals, and click on New to open a new tab. In the name field, I'll put something like IKev2 Proposal 1, then I select SHA-256, set the PFS group to none and finally click Apply and OK. Then I go to the Mode Config tab and click the plus sign to open a new tab. Again, I can enter any name I like, and then from the IP pool section, I select the IKev2 Pool 1 that I created. In the address's prefix length, I set it to 32, so each user gets just one IP, and in the split DNS section, I enter 1.1.1.1. Finally, I click Apply and OK. I go to the Group tab and click the plus sign, then I choose a name of my preference. I'll put IKev2 Group, and then I click Apply and OK. In the Profile section, I open a new tab, give it any name I like, set the algorithm to SHA-256, also set the PRF algorithm to SHA-256, choose AES-256 for the encryption algorithm, and make sure the NAT traversal option is checked at the bottom, then I click Apply and OK. I go to Policies and create a new tab. Then, in the Action tab, I select the proposal I created earlier, which is IKev2 Proposal 1, and in the General tab, I check the template option. After that, I choose the group I created, which is IKev2 Group 1, and then I click Apply and OK. I go to the Peers section and click the plus sign to add a new tab. I give it any name I like, then from the Profile section, I select the IKev2 Profile 1 that I created. For the exchange mode, I set it to IKev2, and I check the passive option, because when you check the passive option, the MikroTik will just wait for a request and respond to it. I go to the Identity tab and click the plus sign. From the Peer section, I choose IKev2 Peer 1. For the authentication method, I select Peer Share Key and set a secret, for example, 112233. Then, in the Policy Template section, I select the group we created earlier, which is IKev2 Group 1, and for the Generate Policy option, I set it to Port Strict. Finally, in the Mode Configuration section, I select the configuration we created earlier, which is IKev2 Config 1, and then I click Apply and OK. Now I bring my phone over to the monitor screen, I bring it onto the screen. I go to my phone settings, then to the VPN section, and click the plus sign. Once I click the plus sign, I can give it any name I like, and I'll type IKev2 IPsec PSK in the name field. I enter the server address, which will be unique for each person, and in the IPsec identity identifier field, I put a name of my choice, for example test. In the IPsec peer share key field, I enter the same key as before, which is 112233, and then I tap create, click on it, and hit connect. As you can see, it connects successfully and without any issues. I'll disconnect once, and you'll see that it reconnects properly without any issues. And now, in the log section, you can also notice that when I click connect, it logs the activity, and when I click disconnect, it logs it again. I'm now opening the YouTube app on my phone, and you can see that it connects smoothly without any issues. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. In the next video, I'll teach you about IKev2 with certificates, so stay tuned.